Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will be showing you guys where you can basically find your achievements on Instagram. So to do that, you're obviously going to open up the Instagram app like this. And then you are going to select your profile. Select the three lines on the top right corner. You are then going to find the achievements in the there should be one under for professionals. You're going to go to the creator tools and insights, and then you're going to select view insights. As you can see, under your tools, there's an achievement tab which you can select, and it shows the achievements you got from your reels and your posts. So as you can see, my video got 300 plays and that got an achievement, as well as this one got 100 plays. There's others to earn reels, like views in reels, followers, plays on just your posts, collaborator, community builder, trend spotter, post likes, posts, watch time, and stories. You can kind of see the information on each achievement. Here it says you'll earn this achievement when you have shared 10 reels. This one is if you've reached 250 followers. This one is if you've reached 500 plays on a reel. This one is if you've invited others to collaborate on a post or a reel. This community builder one is use an interactive sticker in your story or reel to start a conversation with your followers. This one is using trending audio in your reel to help it reach a bigger audience. You can even export trending audio there and use it, and you'll get that achievement. This one is if you've received 50 likes on a post. It will go up as you can see, like the 500 plays, because I've only had 300 plays on my post, so it will go up later on. There's also the 10 posts, so you'll earn this achievement when you have shared 10 posts. Watch time is I'll earn this achievement when your reel gets a watch time of 30 minutes. And 50 stories is you'll earn this achievement once you've shared 50 stories. So basically it's gonna go up from there. If you've reached 100 stories, you're going to get the 100 stories achievement, but then it's going to go up, the numbers are going to keep going up. And that is how you can basically find the achievements on Instagram, and how you can also get achievements, more achievements. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!